What up, squad? Back with another video. Another SUV Bullies TV video. In this video, we're going to be doing a little project today. So this is the armrest of an EK. 96 to 2000. It could be a coupe, it could be a hatchback, or it could be a sedan. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be changing and swapping this carpet, cloth, whatever you want to call it, to a Integra seat cloth. So we're gonna take this one off and we're gonna be replacing it with this one right here. Yes, sir. Got this at the local junkyard, and we're gonna just cut it as much as we need. All right, things you will need for this little project is a blade, a fitted screwdriver, headliner and carpet adhesive to stick on the cloth. Let's get to it. So first things first, we're gonna remove these 6 Phillips screws in order to get to the carpet or a cloth. So let's remove those. All right, all bolts are now out, and they should pop right off, like so. And we're just gonna pretty much take it apart. It is glued on, so your best bet is to just take it right off, like so. See? You don't want to go over it either. Like, say you want to keep this and you just put the one over this one. It's going to be a little too much on the armrest. So let me take that off and show you the next step. All right, so it's now all completely off. Now what I'm going to do is take this cloth, measure it on the seat I'm gonna cut off, and see how much I'm gonna need of this material to put it right back on the armrest, glue it on, put it all back together, and see how it looks. So as you can see, I'm just gonna need this section right here of the cloth, so I can cut it right off and put it all back together. I never seen a YouTube video showing this stuff, so that's why I like making these videos. Also, please subscribe, like, and comment on these videos. That would keep me motivated on making more videos for you guys. And you'll definitely see more content off me. Check that cloth out. It's that confetti from the GSR Integra. I wanted to do this because I recently got the front seats, and I want to match the armrest as well, so it looks, you know, more cleaner, more of a cleaner look. So that's why I'm doing it. But yeah, let's go ahead and cut this, and we'll go from there. So as you can see, I've removed the piece that I needed. Square. I want to say, where is it, like 15 by, just about 15 by 15. Give or take. Here's the piece that I'll be utilizing. Check out that pattern though. That's a nice pattern, squad. On to the next step. And there you have it, the end result. Came out pretty nice. Like I mentioned, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. The more positive feedback I get, the more videos I'll be uploading. So keep me motivated. That's Civic TV. Skitty.